I have no idea what's happening, but it's some sort of like youth, the Greek Cypriot nationalist parade. I don't know. It's interesting to say the least. Whoa, they're moving towards the border now. I have to see what this is. I have to see exactly what this is. This is crazy. There's protests going on now about how Cyprus should be one state and one state only. Let's go over here now. And there are people holding up apartheid signs. Oh, they're pushing through. They're... Whoa. Hold up. Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy. They're like pushing the gates right now. I don't know what's happening. This is crazy. The protest that's going on right now at the border. Oh my God. They just took the TRNC flag and burned it. It's a student protest. Low-key, it feels like a party, but it's not. There's police and riot gear right in front. What did I stumble into? Look at all the riot police are here just in case. Okay, so that protest ended. You have the riot police that were all there. You even had the UN peacekeepers, the one with the blue berets, that came out, stood guard, just in case anything went wrong. There are the peacekeepers over there, the blue berets. You see them? You know, it's a student protest, but then again, with students, we know historically, like sometimes things can get crazy quickly. I really wonder what their message was, because you saw these signs and images that showed Cyprus, the island, but then the Greek flag over the entirety of it. Like, what does that mean? Do they just want unification, or do they want an entirely Greek island? I have no idea. I'm really curious. Someone that speaks Greek, please translate and comment down below what they were shouting. Okay, protest over. I'm now back walking in the Greek side of Cyprus, and let me tell you, that just gave me a whole new level of understanding of the conflict. I mean, I didn't learn anything new from it, but just to see the frustration, anger, and especially from those young kids, seeing everything built up and seeing the conflict to really take place firsthand, it gave me a slightly new perspective on it, and it really just made everything feel that much more real. It's not like it was something I learned about in my history textbooks and then never going to think about again. Even when I was in the Turkish side, you know, I was still like, wow, this feels eerie, but like I still feel like I don't fully understand this conflict. But after that, I can now say that I've seen the conflict firsthand, essentially.